This is a throwback series posted once every Thursday on the Untold Stories in the Taj Mahal. Last Thursday, we hung out at the river as we raided to get the Taj Mahal into the shop, and we were visited by Jack, and we did a walkthrough on his Bundu Tech camper, and then a couple days went by, and it wasn't quite as easy to get the truck in the shop and have Coda comfortable as I thought. So I hope you enjoyed this video of one of the tougher times where we have to get the truck worked on and live full time on the road. I just talked to the shop. It's 8, and I was like, so, you know, the rain might let up soon here. Could I bring it in and you guys still get it done today? And he's like, no, probably would have had to be in here at 7:30, like right at the start of the day. It stresses me out a lot because it makes me feel very trapped, and that's why I did this whole lifestyle. That's why I did this whole thing, was because I hate feeling trapped or feeling like I, have to go by someone else's rules that are silly, or have a crappy power steering pump that needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna wait. Anyways, he said we can bring it in tomorrow. That's fine. It's Friday tomorrow, so they'll definitely get it done tomorrow. If not, I'll be sleeping there all weekend. Taking her back under the knife. Hey, she likes this spot, doesn't she? Pro One Automotive. She doesn't mind. All worried about Coda having a good day. She's having a great day today. We found this awesome spot to hang out on the Truckee River. She's off the leash right now because nobody's really around. And yeah, we just walked here from the service shop. It's maybe 10 minutes away. So this was really ideal. I scoped this out on Google Maps. And that's something I recommend doing too, is just look around on the maps at what maybe looks green or, good area to take your dog. So yeah, she's loving this right now. And actually, she's been having fun all day. The shop that I was at said, hey, your dog's out in your car? Why don't you bring your dog in? And so I did. And I was very appreciative of that. They had dog treats. The owner came out and took a picture of her and said she's dog of the week. And so they were just so cool about me having the dog there. Oh my gosh! Look at that plane! It's like right there! Wow! Planes always amaze me when I don't know, when I don't know the area and I don't know there's an airport around. It's always like, whoa, plane! But no, this was a great spot to find. And anyways, the shop was really, really cool about having her in there. A lot of the people that came in were just giving her love, and so she loved that. And I brought a backpack full of supplies. That was key. That's over there. And yeah, that was key. I brought a blanket just in case, it got cold and we wanted to lie down and I could wrap Coda up. And I brought her water bowl and water for me and her, and I didn't bring any food. That would have been a good idea, but I haven't been eating tons lately, and I'm okay with going a long time without eating. Some days I'd only eat one big meal. All right, well, we spent a couple hours on the river right over there. It was beautiful, but Coda's sniffing her way back, and you can tell she wants to get back to the truck. But we're probably gonna have to chill in the shop for another hour or so. That's lame. Bunch of councilmen and chairmen and things. Tell me a cool story on a plaque, right? So yeah, we'll see. We'll get a little update. Hopefully it's done, and then I can go for it, Codes. Wait, I'm sitting here waiting for my truck. They brought me barbecue chicken. I'm so hungry. Stoked. Pro One Automotive. Coda girl, what do you think? All right, well, we are officially, freakingly headed out from Reno. Been here for like a week, and I just planned on passing through here. But really glad I stayed. The truck is so good now. The brakes are good, the power steering's good. Everything feels just so good. And those guys were just, that was the best customer service I've ever had at a shop, actually. And I've had some pretty good customer service. So, letting Coda hang out in the waiting room, giving her dog treats. They even took a picture of her and said she's dog of the week. So she's the dog of the week there. But yeah, Pro One Automotive in Reno. Really, really cool guys. So yeah, we're heading out now. We're gonna drive about 3.5 hours to some lake. Just saying, hey.
Welcome to the conversation.
Hello, and welcome to us talking on the phone.
Too funny.
What's up, dude?
Nothing much. What are you doing?
Just driving to good old somewhere. I'm leaving Reno. I'm going to a lake. I forget what it's called, but I found it on Google Earth, and it looks cool. Lakes everywhere. It's crazy. We're leaving Reno here, and we're still on the 395 highway. This highway just goes forever. Ooh, we love that 395, don't we? Well, this was a quick throwback Thursday for this week, so stay tuned for next week and see if we actually do find our awesome lake camp spot. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed and tap the bell so you get notifications when I post new videos every Thursday, Saturday, and throughout the week. We'll see you next time. The only question is, are you down to mob? Woo!